In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run parallel sprints within the same project in Jira. This is a fantastic feature for those managing complex projects where multiple teams or streams of work are happening at the same time. Let's step through the process together, ensuring that you're able to efficiently manage your tasks and keep everything moving seamlessly. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the Plans section in your Jira account. You can easily find this in the Jira navigation bar located on the left side of your screen. Once you're there, simply click on it to move forward. Next, you'll see an option for additional settings. These are indicated by three dots to the right of Plans. Click on those dots to reveal a drop-down menu. Within this menu, you need to select Admin Configuration. This option will take you to the area where you can adjust the settings necessary for enabling parallel sprints. Now, as you're in the admin configurations, you should see a left-hand panel. In this panel, there's an option labeled Jira Configuration. Click on this to proceed. Your next step involves locating the setting called Parallel Sprints for Company Managed Projects. It's here that you'll find a toggle switch. You'll want to ensure that this switch is turned on. By doing so, you're allowing Jira to handle multiple sprints at the same time within your project. With that setting enabled, make your way over to your Jira board. Within your board, navigate to the backlog. This is where you'll find all the issues that have been lined up for upcoming sprints. Now, to start your first sprint, you simply click Start Sprint. This action is the same as it would be for a single sprint setup. Once that first sprint is underway, shift your focus back to the backlog. Now it's time to select a second set of issues that you'd like to tackle concurrently. Once you've identified these, go ahead and click Start Sprint once more. This second selection, coupled with the toggle switch you activated earlier, allows you to now run multiple active sprints in parallel. And there you have it, you've set up parallel sprints within your project. This capability can really enhance your team's productivity, enabling multiple teams to work on different aspects of a project at the same time without logistical hiccups. It's an excellent way to maximize the output and flexibility of your development or project management team. Thank you for following along. I hope this guide was helpful in optimizing your Jira experience. Don't forget to check back for more tips and tricks on how to make the most out of your productivity tools.